थीमेटिक्स में कह रहा हूँ, रेवेन्यू हुआ, पेंशन हुआ, ये थीमेटिक्स हो गए in terms of geography as well. So what we want to do is, what we are envisaging, the project, the collective project which all the campuses will be doing, and everyone will be a winner. You will be doing for your respective geographical territory. Now you have the freedom to pick it up कि भाई मैं एक तालुक के लिए कर सकते हैं, ब्लॉक के लिए कर लीजिए, आप तालुक के लिए कर लीजिए, या ज़िले के लिए कर लीजिए, डिवीजन के लिए कर लीजिए, या स्टेट के लिए कर लीजिए. That depends on the capacity which we have got. कि मेरे पास इतनी टीम्स हैं, because as a faculty you will be the project manager of the eGov cell. You will be deploying the tasks to the students, taking them things from them and things like that. So we are saying that we have to create an eGov dashboard. eGov dashboard we will be basing on Google Earth because easily available, easily possible. We will be creating KML files, mapping the various assets, public assets in that chosen geographical territory. Now when I say public assets, can we map the schools? Can we map the hospitals, primary district cares? A huge amount of data is already there. I would say as a ballpark figure, 60 to 70% of the data is already there in one of the government's programs. अब 3000 Spartans NIC के अलग लगे हुए हैं. Nobody has helped them to integrate that across. NIC has got another project called DISNIC project. उसमें उन्होंने, it was initiated by Professor Moni, who is our program chair, कि where they were recording the data sets at the village level. They have lot of data which is already there in the GIS frameworks. What we have to simply do is कि take all those data sets and produce in a coherent, integrated eGov dashboard, जिसका backend Google Earth होगा. And let me show you an example what we are attempting at a much bigger level. So that will give you an example. At Engineering Watch, we are initiating a project called Engineering Atlas of India. We had started with mapping all the engineering colleges. Now we are adding more and more layers on top of it, like the MSMEs. भारत की 40 लाख MSMEs हैं. So we had done it in one of our issues as an infographic, but we are mapping it geographically कि मुरादाबाद में पीतल का cluster है, कोयम्बटूर में electrical का cluster है. In fact, MSME we are working quite closely to diversify the placement portfolio. So we will be helping you out in this, like campuses. If I show, like all the NITs for that matter are plotted on a Google map. Got it? So this is all CSV based. So basically you have to just create CSVs in a design format for a thematic and for a region. Your concentration will be for a particular district or a division or a state, depending on your capacity or inclination. So for example, if I click here, it is NIT Raipur. So if I go, I will go to its page and things like that, all the details will unravel. So we want कि एक district में हम इन chosen parameters को map करें, all the public assets which are present out there, and we also map the entire e-governance initiatives out there. The starting point will be the official website of that district, which is maintained by the NIC unit out there, which is the representative segment of it. So they have all the announcements of all the government policies and lots of things. So we will be working out on a framework into which you will be doing the first level of data acquisition through primary and secondary sources and data analysis. Because data acquisition is very simple. अभी हम लोगों को AICTE की how many 590 PDF files मिली. I would invite my colleague Abhishek to just share his views around it. Now 495 कितनी अभिषेक? 400. Just come over here. So they are basically, AICTE has sometime done a count of the faculty members across the country. So they have put it on their portal in around 495 PDF sheets, which have 75,000 plus pages in whole. Now they are non-searchable. We had to use a tool to export them into Excel. Now even the computerization is not complete. Are you getting my point? भैया स्कैन कर दो. प्रोफेसर संजीव सिंह कॉल से जोक कि भाई डिजिटाइजेशन के ज़माने में भी कुछ थाने में ना एक फ्लॉपी गई सबूत के तौर पे किसी एक फ्रॉड केस में, तो वहाँ के दीवान साहब ने कहा इसको नत्थी कर दो फाइल में। तो कैसे नत्थी किया? सुआ लिया, फ्लॉपी में लगाया, नत्थी कर दिया। दैट इज द डॉक्यूमेंट्री एविडेंस दे सी। सो दिस इज द स्टेट, बट एनी हाउ द डेटा इज एटलीस्ट देयर, इट इज कैप्चर्ड समवेयर, एटलीस्ट इट इज इन द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मोड की आपको कागज नहीं खराब करने पड़ रहे, आपके पास कहीं ना कहीं तो वो सॉफ्ट मोड में है। Analysis will be a core chunk of it, and that's where you will, your students, or you have to explore a lot of data analytics tools, Mozendo, इसको कैसे कैप्चर करें, या एक्सेल से कैसे कैप्चर करें। आई थिंक दिस इज द कोर IT, मतलब दिस इज द थिंग विच कीप्स द नेशन टिकिंग। आज यही नहीं आता, यही इसी को ढूंढना, इसी को पहचाना। आई थिंक आधे से ज़्यादा बच्चे इससे एम्प्लॉयबल हो जाएंगे, ईगव प्रोजेक्ट बने ना बने, पर वो करने में ना, क्योंकि अभी तो जो प्रोजेक्ट हम देते हैं उसका कोड अवेलेबल होता है, टीचर से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट स्मार्ट होते हैं, हम लोग भी यही करते थे। तो हर जगह है, मतलब इट्स एट ऑल लेवल्स, देर आर वेरी लिमिटेड पीपल ऑफ ओरिजिनल वर्क पीपल आर डूइंग। बट एनी हाउ, अगर ये रिपीटेटिव वर्क भी होगा, DRDA की एक्सेल शीट्स हैं, सेंसस की शीट्स हैं, वो इतनी डिसएरेड हैं, अगर उनकी क्लस्टरिंग कर दी जाए तो सो ब्यूटिफुल एनालिटिक्स विल कम। अभी सिविल लिस्ट हमने एनालाइज किया, आप देखिए व्हाट वी डिड, वी जस्ट डिड दैट एनालिटिक्स। हम मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ पर्सनल की साइट पे गए, वहाँ पे RR लिस्ट होती है हर अफसर की, वो हमने डाउनलोड करी एक्सेल पे। इट टुक 9 man days, मेरे पास उसका आंकड़ा भी है, कि उस एग्जिस्टिंग डिजिटाइज डेटा को भी इस फॉर्मेट में बनाना कि मैं उससे यूजफुल इंफॉर्मेशन निकाल सकूं। कहते हैं ना, डेटा, इंफॉर्मेशन, नॉलेज एंड विजडम, data is huge. So data acquisition and analysis into information will be a core key task. Whatever parameters we will be choosing, we will be fixing a geography, and we will be saying ourselves कि भाई we will be mapping say 10 parameters, 20 parameters or 30 parameters depending on our capacity, inclination or whatever. मतलब we will leave it to the campuses, let them do more. मतलब we don't want to plateau their vision by saying कि भाई इतना करो. It's an open book examination. So they have said कि let imagination flourish, and we never know that some campus will benchmark, set the benchmark so high, it will really change the narrative, and we are confident that it will happen. And then the next is flowing that information which is extracted from that data into a kind of a framework which can be collectively presented. So that way we are doing two kind of analytical jobs. One is we are assessing one mission mode project, and another on a limited geography, on a limited set of parameters, we are creating an eGov dashboard. We have also done the bottom work, the bottom dirty work we have also done. And we have also assessed you from the top. We are not just coming as some big masiha कि हम corruption erode कर देंगे, हमने आपका जी होता है ना कि हमने solid काम भी किया है और हमने ये काम भी किया है. So these are the two extreme ends which we are planning as a future roadmap. And this we are thinking October is ending, November, December, January, February, March. By March or so, we have to just come up with a consensual deadline around it, and maybe offline we have to probably work towards it, that how many students would be really being deployed for it. Because for data acquisition you can always deploy the first year students. कितना भी उनके पास academic workload है, but they are just torn by those books and classes and things like that. कुछ fun के लिए they can be sent across कि भाई 2 दिन में जाके या कुछ weekends पे you can go and collect the data, primary data of things, and that can be a fun exercise for the students. Like learning on Sundays is a great idea. So that kind of things we can, and because of our inter-sharing, we will be creating some more communication sharing platforms so that one best practice of a campus can be shared with the others, and they can adapt it, customize it, and implement it in their own innovative manner. And we want this thousands of innovations blossom, and let them come up कि सर इसमें ये वाला use case missing है. Use case missing is also one of the key parameters कि इस application में when I test it, because testing is something which a entrant engineer is put up, इसमें ये use case missing है. That's a big revelation, and we will blow it out, we will trumpet it कि our students, our eGov campus program has done it. So we will have enough credentials further to launch it forward. So on this second part of it, the eGov dashboard part of it, if any queries, questions, clarifications. I think it's getting boring and tough. It's too abstract, but I think we have covered a long way on that. Ma'am, mic.
mention of the parameters stated that. So currently at one level, it will happen everywhere there is no limit. And it's very difficult to collect the data source and taking the value for a single release. So can we collect for them, like we input them, like maybe the length information, so maybe the different top rated information. So what will be the level of because of course, also can give you one example. For instance, I have taken
Ma'am, that's why we will try to standardize some 15-20 parameters which will be advocated on a national level, and we are in Delhi, we will be using all our channels, all our processes to force it through.
if we want to contribute something for the government, so why should not be a very detailed level information?
Sure. I think your answer will come in the third part of my future roadmap. This is we are doing just to win the confidence further. Ki what, man, there is enough already in the public domain. There is enough already in the public domain.
Practically, if we are talking, nothing is like that because in the practically like so we also have people how many people everybody belongs to their grassroots level. So what kind of information they are getting from the government? Nothing.
I agree, ma'am. There are both sides of this entire narrative. Both sides exist. If you say the completeness of your data set, I agree, you are correct. I'm just talking that we are doing a dipstick eGov dashboard. We want at least even the 100 problems to come to us, na? Ki bhai, we were mapping on this parameter. I'm not coming to the specific right now because it will go really elaborate. That's why offline we will discuss it. 31 mission mode projects hain, which somewhere maps to the 31 thematic areas of governance across the country. अब मैं उन 31 thematic areas में मैंने एक geography set करी. I said कि मैं केवल 5 areas के इन parameters को map करूँगा. And we will have a consensual thing because we are not going to become super into it. We are saying कि हम 20-25 parameters we will decide for a particular geographical area. Can we map the petrol pumps? Can we map some of the key service delivery aspects of it? Something around multiple aspects of it. And we will choose only those parameters for which ample data is available in the public domain. Now, even after that, because this is only a pilot study, this is only a dipstick study, the real e-governance program, the framework under which I'm envisaging a scenario, and that's what we had offline discussions with Mishra sir and the DG NIC and all top officials, because कई बार क्या होता है ना, मंत्र को गुप्त रखना पड़ता है, what all, how it's going across, so that you get a formulation done fast, because fizzle out तो बहुत आसानी से हो जाएगा. तो once a framework, which is my third part, let me come to it, कि we are creating a framework where, like I said, gave you this website, where we have profiled all the faculty members. Scribd अभी काम नहीं कर रहा, Scribd की script, but we had put all the data of a faculty member. So faculty members will be seen more as project managers at the campuses, based on their experience, based on their capacities, competencies, and they are all things like that. So then these people who have so much of work to do, they will then select from this framework. eGov campus is a very reputed and credible way of selection which has been done by an eminent jury and all. So they will flow through projects from here. So then you will not get a problem. Even your institution, like if we keep on asking, let me just give you a counter example of it. We were doing a massive exercise to document the mandatory disclosures of all the AICTE approved institutions at a single place. Now interestingly, the regulator's website, yani AICTE's website, the corresponding page says page under construction. Now they are the regulators. They are meant to take, and that is the core role of theirs. चलो AICTE पे नहीं है तो गूगल बाबा की शरण में जाते हैं क्योंकि उन्होंने तो खैर they have mapped all across. So we did all search strings, mandatory disclosure, AICTE, all permutation combination we did. And we canvassed up to 500 search pages. Now to our utter surprise, or to our things, we could get mandatory disclosures of only 326 institutions of this country. Out of the 4,500 engineering plus इतनी management है, AICTE में वो भी approved है. Now this is the state of many things. Now what we have done, simply we have shot a letter to the Honorable Chairman कि sir you talk about self-regulation. For the sake of the students, we wanted कि जो mandatory disclosures हैं एक जगह आके let students at least see, because now it is the time of distillation. Only the performing campuses, only the great campuses should get the benefit, and there should be disincentive for not performance and run-of-the-mill kind of institutions. But for that available data, in fact today we are honoring some 10 eminent educational journalists across the country. We are launching an initiative called Educational Journalism Initiative. We are saying that journalism in education is very vital for a country's progress, because in an era when prime time news channels are being sponsored by some of the key educational institutions, instead of spending that money in their research and innovation projects, it should be used there. And this reporting has to be done through data. So point which I was trying to make, if I come to your university and start asking a lot of data from you, you will get skeptic the very moment. Until or unless I don't come from a bona fide channel and I have a credential behind me. And because there are so many colleges, मतलब सरकार को तो regulate करना है ना, उनके लिए तो वो it's numbers. So they don't understand कि which is the bona fide one, which is not. So that's why the framework is very important. And I think opendata.gov.in, which is maintained by Professor Sanjeev Singh's group, phenomenal data is there, and we can assure you as Engineering Watch कि the frameworks which we will be putting across and the kind of anywhere we are writing to the existing, because DMs रोज ही change होते हैं. उनकी प्रॉब्लम ये है कि भाई आज के इस वोलेटाइल एटमॉस्फेयर में दे आर नॉट मैपिंग विद दी स्टेबल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. So you have to be constantly in touch with the agencies. So we will be also coordinating with your district level people. Whatever geography you are choosing, we will be interfacing regularly. That there comes our role probably to advocate, to network, to resolve challenges and problems. So if you go on कि open-ended project नहीं हो पाएगा मैम ये. This eGov dashboard will be a limited, a 50 parameter का set है in these thematic areas. A dipstick study. Pardon? Okay. Ma'am, GIS is nothing today. Google Earth has made it so. We are not processing satellite imagery. We can go. We have affiliations with the Department of Earth Sciences, IIT Roorkee and all, but we don't need it. We are not doing, I will say, infrared things and all. That kind of research projects is not the ambit of it. We are not going to the deduplication kind of an algorithm kind of a thing. We are really not going to that next level depth of it. We have deliberately left it across and we say it, because there is enough work on the surface itself, which if it can be managed, which it can be structured, can help us. So whenever GIS comes, ma'am, GIS is so simple. You install a simple WordPress theme. This entire portal is running on that theme. It's a WordPress theme which has a backend Google, or what you need is only latitude and longitudes. And usme interestingly, the best part is Google has done so much of data crunching कि अगर मैं लिखता हूँ माधुरी कुंड मथुरा यूपी, वो अपने आप उसके लैट लॉन्ग ले लेगा, क्योंकि उसकी CSV में, उसकी सर्च एल्गोरिथम में ऑलरेडी इज देयर. तो व्हेन वी से GIS, इट इज ओनली द विजुअलाइजेशन पार्ट ऑफ इट. You will be working more on CSVs, that's it. The campuses will be working on a series of CSVs, that's it. But we want the final representation to be on this framework. Otherwise, seeing is believing. आप CSV दिखा देंगे. Ashima, yeah. Yes. आपको पता होगा कि हर जिले में सबसे अच्छे नक्शे किस विभाग के पास होते हैं? सबसे अच्छे नक्शे, डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल के नक्शे बताइए. क्विज. प्रोजेक्ट एंड प्लानिंग डिपार्टमेंट. ओके, एनी अदर गेसेस? सबसे अच्छे नक्शे डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल, रीचेबल, क्राइसिस मैनेजमेंट में जिस पे रिलाई किया जा सकता है. हाँ, पॉपुलेशन, further guesses, मैम, सर। सबसे अच्छे नक्शे अगर ज़िले में आपको मिलेंगे इलेक्टोरल डिपार्टमेंट के पास में, इलेक्टोरल डिपार्टमेंट, because they are the ones who have to conduct elections, and election is the core of this democracy, the core survival of this political system. जितना बूथ लेवल की प्लानिंग और जितनी इलेबोरेट इमैक्यूलेट गवर्नमेंट अरेंजमेंट्स आप देखेंगे, दे आर विद द इलेक्टोरल डिपार्टमेंट्स, क्योंकि हर 2 साल में इलेक्शन होता है। अब तो पंचायती राज का होना है, फिर स्टेट का होना है, फिर नेशनल होना है। तो वन ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट्स विच वी आर थिंकिंग इन कोलैबोरेशन विद इलेक्शन कमीशन, can we map the electoral booths of your district or taluk or block, whatever you want, on a GIS framework? आपको उसमें करना नहीं है, आपके बच्चों को GPS लेकर भी नहीं जाना, आपको केवल उनकी वेबसाइट से उनके डेटा डाउनलोड करने हैं, CSV में ट्रांसलेट करने हैं, अपलोड करके देखना है हाँ कितना दिख रहा है, what kind of grounding or what kind of things are there. So that will help you to understand how it is happening. So these are the kind of projects which we are thinking. Maybe उड़ीसा का साइक्लोन आया है, तो उसके अराउंड लेट अस कम विद समथिंग इनोवेटिव विच कैन बी डन बाय दैट उड़ीसा कॉलेज। और देहरादून है तो व्हाट आर द विलेजेस विच हैव बीन अफेक्टेड बाई, जो पूरे रूट में आए हैं मंदाकिनी के, उस रूट में हम मैप कर सकें, बिकॉज दैट विल गिव अ कॉन्फिडेंस फर्दर टू दीज एजेंसीज कि अगर कॉलेजेस इस तरह के सेंट्रल प्रोजेक्ट्स, बिकॉज GIS एंड CSV आर द कोर ऑफ गवर्नेंस, इट्स ऑल अबाउट डेटा विजुअलाइजेशन, डेटा कैप्चरिंग, एक्विजिशन, एनालिसिस एंड देन एप्लीकेशन डेवलपमेंट। एप्लीकेशन क्या करती है, डेटा को अगर टिपिकल वट एवर माई प्रोफेसर्स टॉट मी की उसको प्रोसेस ही तो करती है, देयर इज एन इनपुट एंड देयर इज एन आउटपुट बेस्ड ऑन सर्टेन लॉजिक, दैट इज द होल क्रक्स ऑफ प्रोग्रामिंग। और फिर उसका डिप्लॉयमेंट में ट्रेनिंग एस्पेक्ट आ गया कि भाई ये बटन दबाओगे तो ये होगा। अब तो टच स्क्रीन्स आ गई हैं, टैबलेट्स आ गई हैं, एवरीवन इज यूजिंग द मोबाइल पार्ट ऑफ इट, एंड देन मोबाइल एंड वेब इंटरफेस इज सीमलेस। सो आई थिंक दैट इज ऑल. So any further comments, questions? Abhishek sir? Yeah, please.
I'm from HSL University. My name is Ganesh. Lot of interesting contributions going on. I just wanted to ask one particular thing that we have 2 questions observation. One is this thing is real project.
Yes. All the content will be uploaded on this portal, and we would be also sending mailers and social media, because see what these 24-25 fantastic campuses are doing. Let the 4,500 campuses know that they are doing. See, we are media, we are Vrahad Mridang. So our job is to amplify what is good and also bad, so that bad goes out and good gets amplified. So we will be doing it across. And we are also circulating, if you have seen, I think DVDs from our last issue, we have a very unique feature, like we are also circulating a DVD with 9 GB of data along with our magazine. So that's a physical DVD also we are sending to campuses. So which, in fact, this DVD with this issue covered all the proceedings of the eGov campus day on that day.
Other than we have a dashboard. So the dashboard that you talked about, is it developed or is it under process?
It will be developed collectively. Yeah, we will be providing the framework of it. We will be providing the software system tools or technologies around it. But dashboard is a concept. See, dashboard has to be created for a particular geography, for a particular thematic area. We will be creating dashboards, and we will be evolving on top of it. It's not something I have nothing in my mind. I'm just proposing.
So the purpose of that dashboard will be to share what we are doing.
No. The purpose of the dashboard will be to give you a bird's eye view of what e-governance means at the lowest level. आप एक मिशन मोड प्रोजेक्ट को डाइसेक्ट कर रहे हो तो उससे तो आपको टॉप डाउन व्यू मिल गया. एंड व्हेन यू आर क्रिएटिंग अ डैशबोर्ड, तो इट इज़ एज गुड एज क्रिएटिंग अ SRS और अ रिक्वायरमेंट एनालिसिस कि भाई कुछ पब्लिक एसेट्स हैं जो मुझे मैनेज करने हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल आई वुड से कि फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे क्या टिपिकल एग्जांपल हूँ, एजुकेशनल डैशबोर्ड आप बना रहे हैं, कि किसी एक ज़िले के जो इंटर कॉलेजेस हैं, सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल्स हैं, कॉलेजेस हैं, वो कहाँ कहाँ स्प्रेड आउट है. इफ़ समवन हैज़ टू डू अ ट्रैवलिंग सेल्समैन एल्गोरिथम अगर इम्प्लीमेंट उस पर करनी है, तो आपके पास वो ग्राफ बनाना पड़ेगा. तो कितना फिजिकल डिस्टेंस है, क्या नहीं है. तो वी हैव टू गेट डेटा फ्रॉम से द डिस्ट्रिक्ट एजुकेशन ऑफिसर या प्राइम वेबसाइट पे होगा. फिर आप उसको प्लॉट करोगे जोग्राफिकली, उसको एक ग्राफिकल मॉड्यूल में बनाओगे. एंड देन ओनली यू कैन थिंक ऑफ कि व्हाट ऑल प्रॉब्लम्स आई कैन सॉल्व आउट ऑफ इट. कि ये इंटर डैशबोर्ड बेटर है. जैसे कॉलेज रैंकिंग्स होती हैं, लाइक देर आर सम स्टेट्स विच हैव गॉन टू द लेवल ऑफ रैंकिंग देयर इंटर कॉलेजेस एंड देयर सेकेंडरी स्कूल्स. सो दिस डैशबोर्ड विल गिव यू द कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी एंड द सेंसिटिविटी एसोसिएटेड विद द ईगव प्रोजेक्ट. अभी जैसे हम लोग कॉलेज में करते हैं हॉस्पिटल मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, वो इसी तरह के सिस्टम होते हैं ना, कॉलेज मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, यही सब आते हैं. मैंने तो एक बार सोच रहा था कि पूरे टेकपीडिया, हमारे प्रोफेसर अनिल शर्मा हैं वहाँ IIM अहमदाबाद के, ही रन्स अ टेकपीडिया इनिशिएटिव, 1.5 लाख के करीब प्रोजेक्ट्स उस पर एनरोल्ड हैं. तो वो मेरे से कहते हैं, राघव वाई डोंट यू गेट द इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस प्रोजेक्ट्स आउट हियर. मैंने कहा सर कितने हॉस्पिटल मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम चाहिएंगे, कितने होटल मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम चाहिएंगे, सब वही होते हैं लगभग, मतलब जितना डिस्ट्रिक्ट एनालिसिस किया है. पर ये जो प्रोजेक्ट है, ये जो डेफिनेशन पर से, सिस्टम डिजाइन विल बी कमिंग टू यू. सी नोबडी विल बी गिविंग यू द डेफिनेशंस, यू विल बी अंडरस्टैंडिंग द वेरासिटी ऑफ इट. कि इस मिशन मोड प्रोजेक्ट में अब ई पंचायत, जैसे सर ने बताया, ई पंचायत का सूट है, तो आप यही डैशबोर्ड बना दो कि आपके ज़िले में कितने ई पंचायत सूट ऑपरेशनल हो गए हैं. आप लाल बत्ती जला दो, इतना तो प्रोग्राम आप कर सकते हो पीछे से कि ये ऑपरेशनल है, ये ग्रीन है, ये तो विजुअल रिप्रेजेंटेशन आ गया ना. तो वी विल बी वर्किंग ऑन दैट काइंड ऑफ डैशबोर्ड्स विच विल गिव दीज प्लानर्स ऑफ दीज 31 मिशन मोड प्रोजेक्ट्स. देयर इज अ बिग मिशन डायरेक्टरेट, बिग पूरा कमांड है. तो आई थिंक वी कैन बी द आईज एंड ईयर्स एंड एटलीस्ट प्रूव आवर क्रेडेंशियल्स फर्दर कि वी अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट ई गवर्नेंस इज ऑल अबाउट. या